Hi sir, good morning. Um, Dito sir, sa my floor, we have the floor 1 which is the switch 1, then second floor which is the switch 2. Then sa switch 1 which is the floor 1 is meron tayong dalawang computer which is the HR and the admin. Then sa second floor we have the HR2 and the admin 2 in the second floor. So in switch 1 is ikuha natin yung code. Yan. Then in switch 2 also lagyan natin para mapag-connect natin silang dalawa. Then lagyan natin then in which lagyan natin yung dapat na pag-ping na natin yung mga IP addresses. Then if we send to HR and admin which will be filled, then the HR to admin which is filled too. But if HR and HR will be successful. And also in the right is the admin and the admin too is successful. Then first floor to second floor in HR and the admin in the second floor which will be it will be failed. Then also in the first floor admin 1 HR2 it can be failed also. Vice versa, it could be failed.